Listen very closely, because what I am about to tell you will completely shatter the financial reality you have been programmed to believe. You have been systematically lied to by the education system, by your government, and likely by your own parents. They taught you that the path to a secure life is to get good grades, secure a safe corporate job, save 10% of your paycheck, and quietly wait for retirement. That is not a wealth strategy. That is the perfect, foolproof mathematical formula for a lifetime of financial slavery. Let us examine the concept of your salary. You think your paycheck is a reward for your hard work and loyalty to the company. The brutal truth is that your salary is nothing more than an aggressively calculated bribe designed specifically to make you forget your own dreams. The corporation pays you exactly enough to keep you coming back on Monday morning, but never enough to actually let you buy back your freedom. You must completely divorce your identity from your hourly wage if you ever want to escape the rat race. Look around at the middle class. They are drowning in a suffocating ocean of bad debt because they cannot differentiate between an asset and a liability. They finance a brand new luxury car they cannot afford simply to impress people they do not even like, while that vehicle loses thousands of dollars in value the moment it leaves the lot. A true asset puts money directly into your pocket whether you are awake, asleep, or on a beach. A liability constantly bleeds your bank account completely dry under the false disguise of success. The richest 1% of the population do not hoard their cash in traditional bank accounts. They understand the invisible, silent thief called inflation, which slowly and steadily erodes your purchasing power every single second your money sits idle. To the wealthy, cash is not a safety net. It is simply ammunition waiting to be aggressively deployed onto the battlefield of investing. If your money is not currently out there fighting to capture more territory, it is slowly bleeding to death in your wallet. There is a massive psychological barrier preventing you from building a financial empire, and it is called the fear of leverage. You were taught that all debt is evil and must be aggressively avoided at all costs. But the financial elite use strategic debt as a massive, tax-free lever to acquire cash-flowing real estate and heavily scale their businesses. When you learn how to masterfully use other people's money and other people's time, you instantly shatter the absolute ceiling of your own physical limitations.